Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get a color palette from your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to get a color palette from this video right here, and I'm just going to go to the effects section and I'm going to search for mosaic, and I'm just going to add that to my video like so. You can make it, I'm just gonna make it like super like big so I can search for the color palette that I want. I'm going to also then freeze frame this part. Right click, create compound clip. And then I'm going to go to video and I'm going to just mask it to the color palette scheme that I want. So I'm just going to select this one, these squared ones, and I'm just going to scale it up here. And it's like really good if you want to add text with the same color palette. So if you added a text here, I'm just going to type in Valorant. You can kind of use the colors from that color palette to find the color that you want for the text, for instance. So get the eyedropper here and select whichever one you want to use, like so. And that is pretty much it, really. You can use this color palette for something else if you want to, but yeah. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!